Hello and welcome to my channel. Up in here for a quick mini review is the Herbal Essences Pure Renew Clean White Strawberry and Sweet Mint Conditioner. Out of the bat, the packaging and aesthetics of Herbal Essences are amazing. It is a deep pink bottle with the usual favorite disc top cap, which allows fair distribution of the product. It is colorant free, balanced pH, and suitable for colored hair. This specific one is in the variant white strawberry and sweet mint. At the back of the bottle, it states that this conditioner with an essential antioxidant helps purify and protect against what our hair gets used to over time, and thus resulting into soft, free flowing hair. The directions are to apply the conditioner generously on wet hair and rinse off. Just to preface the context, I have colored hair and my hair ends are very dry. I also have curly hair which gets tangled very often and is also very frizzy with split ends. Usually I apply my conditioner from below my ear level to the tip of my hair, leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse it off, and I did just that for this conditioner as well. However, let me tell you, the first time I used it, my hair was so smooth, not even one tangle, and that never happened before. It made my hair so silky, soft and smooth that it is now tangle free. Not only that, it made my hair so flowy, it didn't weigh it down, it is actually light and flowy, despite the fact that it is a creamy moisturizing base conditioner. My hair is less frizzy ever since I started using it. Additionally, the scent is fruity and yet very refreshing. It stays on for days, which means that it has a long-lasting fragrance. The only sad part is that I was scared it would make my hair straight, and initially it didn't, but after 3 months of using it, it definitely loosened my curls a little bit. Performance-wise, it is the best conditioner I ever used. It literally transformed my dry, frizzy colored hair into a soft, shiny, smooth hair. It totally deserves a 5 out of 5. For price and availability, for the quantity of 400 ml and this performance, it is really inexpensive. My main issue is that I am finding it hard to find the exact same product with the same packaging and details. Like something is always missing, so availability wise it might be hard for some of you to get your hands on it, but I bought it from my local supermarket. Hence, for price and availability, it is a 4 out of 5. For packaging and ingredients, I love the desktop cap. It is my favorite. It allows such a seamless distribution of the product, chef's kisses. Other than that, it is recyclable and free from colorant. The brand is cruelty free. However, unlike the shampoo, the conditioner is not paraben free and the ingredient list could be improved upon. So, for packaging and ingredients, it is a 4 out of 5. So overall final rating is 4.3 out of 5. I definitely recommend all of you to try it out if you see it. It is a really well crafted product which can potentially improve your hair textures or conditions. That's all I got for you today. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. I upload a lot of reviews with some home remedies / DIYs and hacks. Sending you lots of love. Till next, take care.